Hello guys, welcome to my channel Crafts with Shamu. Please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Today's DIY is my favorite one. Let's make this stunning looking black stone jhumka. So let's get started. Take a black silk thread and start wrapping around for about 25 to 30 times. Now cut in the center and glue both the ends. Now take size 1 jhumka and glue one end of the silk thread to the base. Let it dry for some time and start wrapping around the jhumka base. If you need much clear steps on how to wrap this jhumka base, do check out my jhumka wrapping tutorial. Link is in the description box. After you're done, glue the end. This is how it looks. Now take metal matte stone chain, apply some glue over the base and stick the stone chain to the base. Repeat the process until you've completely covered an entire jhumka base. See how good this looks already. Now take a pin and insert it into the jhumka. I used a metal stud here to make it look more elegant. Twist the pin with the pliers and attach it to the jhumka. That's it, you're done. And guys, if you want to purchase any of my jewelry items, just drop a mail. The ID is below in the description box. Just check it out. So that's it for today, and I totally love this black metallic silk thread jhumkas. If you too did so, please do like, share, and most importantly subscribe to my channel. Until then, happy crafting and bye bye.